finally, nakadating na kami sa Clark. O ng aming bag. Dalawa lang na may bag namin naka-check-in. Haba ng biyahe, promise. Ayan na, first bag. Wow, we did not take ito na yung pangalawa. Ang bilis lang. Yay! Nakakalabas na kami. Sino kaya ang sumundo sa amin? Actually, hindi kasama na ng tatay ko. Yung kapatid ko kami. Ayun yung sundo namin. She daddy loves. Ayan. Dali si Tata Tata sumakay. Saan nasan? Jollibee. Jollibee. Okay, so dali, dali.
Hi.
Saan nasan? Jollibee.
Okay, kiss. Bilis.
Dali, dali.
Kiss na.
Ortin. Kamusta naman kay Ate Julia? Happy kayo? Kamusta ka? Happy kayo? Happy ikaw?
Yes.
Di ba kayo happy ikaw?
Yes. Kumusta?
Eh bakit kayong dalawa? Ang tahimik niyo? So sinurprise ni Ate Julia si Alec kasi mag-best friend yung dalawa na yan. Nagulat kami. Nandito din sila. Happy ka ba, Lek? Luchi!
Hi!
Sinong na-surprise?
Ako!
Si Alec! Si Ate Julia! Si Kuya Joaquin! Sinurprise sila kami, kasama si Ate Julia niya tsaka si Kuya
Mommy, you
Joaquin.
said Ate Julia's school!
I didn't know that they will surprise us! It's a prank! So happy kami kasi kasama namin yung dalawang pamangking ko. Sinundo kami nung kapatid kong punso at yung kuya ko, tsaka sister-in-law ko. So magkakain kami dito later. And mamaya na yung review namin sa airport. Da-dine-in kami sa labas. Here, dine-in sa labas. Kakain kami sa labas.
It's okay. Ito yung sipa.
Diba? Ang saya. Meron kaming adobo, langgunisa at rice. Clark Airport natin dito sa Pilipinas. Ang ganda guys, ang luwang. Pati parking, sobrang luwang niya. Ito, apakaganda nung ginawa nito ni Duterte. Siya yata yung paggawa nito guys, no? Ang ganda, sobrang laki. At saka ang ganda sa loob. Malinis, pati yung mga toilet. So yan, finally nakauwi na kami. Tapos sindo kami ng dalawa naming kapatid. Tara! Meron pa kami. Ano basa mo dyan? Masahin mo nga. Welcome.
Welcome.
The Boer Farm. So nag-ayos pa si Mami. Tapos yadang para kay Alec.
I am a balloon.
Ano sasabi mo? Happy ka ba?
Yeah.
Masama, thank you for watching.
I want to keep this unicorn. It's so cute.
Humayo ka. Thank you, Mami Tab.
Thank you, Mommy Tab.
Lakasan mo.
Thank you, Mommy Tab.
Hi guys. Ulit. Take 2. Hard to take 2. So ayun na nga, hindi na kami nakapag-video kagabi kasi sobrang pagod na namin. Grabe. First time namin nagbiyahe. Kasi for like many years, we're traveling from Dubai to Philippines. So 9 hours, 10 hours max, 11 hours. So this time, it's first time namin kasi since we moved to the Netherlands, so we fly from Europe to Philippines. So ang haba ng flight, ang sakit sa ulo. Even though, syempre, as expected, Emirates Airlines is the best. Kasi doon lang ako safe sa kanila kasi yung pilot nila and everything service is very good. Especially yung business lounge sa Dubai. Grabe, na-miss namin yun. Sawa sa food, you can sleep, you can take a rest, you can take a shower, brush your teeth, change your clothes. So makakapag-refresh ka talaga. Which is, yun nga, that's one of the best thing that UAE has, the Emirates Airlines, and the good customer service, which is you will never get in Europe or Philippines. And yeah, so medyo hirap kami ngayon kasi 7 hours difference from Europe and Philippines yung timing. So, may jet lag kami. Parang kagabi, nung pagdating namin, pagod kami lahat, nakatulog. Tapos nagising kami ng 1 a.m. dito sa Pilipinas. Nagutom kami ni Alec. Di ba, Alec? Nagising tayo kagabi. So, 4 a.m. Mommy is cooking fried rice, langgonisa. Ayan, dalawa, nagkukulitan na naman. Now, you can make kulit-kulit to each other.
Can we?
Yeah. And what else, Han, in Emirates, no? In business class, yun.
Business lounge is one of the best in the world.
Yes,
So
I
we
agree.
really enjoy. Makes
Yes.
it worthwhile to be a gold member.
Yeah.
Thank you, Emirates.
Thank you, Emirates.
Thank you, Emirates.
And for this, and the best thing is the safe flight, very smooth takeoff, very smooth landing. Nung nasa ano na kami when we reach in how do you call it?
Papa.
Palanding na sa Cebu, ayun, medyo bumpy ng konti kasi cloudy. So ako takot. Hoy, Albert, ganyan. Kaya nga, ewan ko ba, tagal ko na nagta-travel pero hindi pa rin nawawala yung anxiety ko pagdating sa eroplano. Kaya nga Emirates lang ginagamit namin kasi yun yung feeling safe ako. And the Clark Airport, what you can say in Clark Airport?
No duty free.
No, there is but small going out. Pero maganda, right? It's big, it's
Very
clean, very organized. Yun nga, clean. And yeah, that's it. So, in total, how's our first time traveling from Europe to Philippines?
Very tiring.
Ikaw, Leg.
Yeah, tiring.
But yesterday you said you're not tired. Diba?
Oh, yeah, I'm not tired.
Yeah, but you start crying, Mommy, I'm tired. Okay, you say good night to the guys.
Good night, guys.
Good night.
guys.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
See you in the next
And
video.
her name is Lucy.
Ayun nga pala,
Bye, Susie.
so malapit na mag-Christmas, i-add ko lang, mamimili tayo ng top engager. O, kaya lagi nyo papanoorin yung video namin, tatapusin nyo kasi nakakakuha ng points to, nagiging, kuwari ako, ikaw ang nagta-top engager. So, mapipili ka namin and we'll give something this coming Christmas. So, enjoy watching and good luck. Bye!